Wow, look at this, oh. Wow. Look. Look, baby, oh. Look. There's a package for us. Oh, diba? Hi, guys. This is a very happy day for me kasi na-deliver na itong bago nating pet. This is my new pet. At wag kayo, ha. This is a very high-tech pet. Diba? Aside from my other robot, this is my new big size robot. Let's open it for the first time. So, naka-cling wrap naman siya, so don't worry. Kasi maulan sa atin ngayon, no? It's very rainy here in the Philippines right now. Kailangan natin mag-English kasi international yung pag-uploadan ko, charot. Pero, tingnan natin sa loob. Let's see. Ano ba ang meron to sa loob? Okay, I'll turn the camera around, okay? Okay, guys, let's unbox Ropet. I'm so excited. This is what I call the child in me. Actually, ang dami mga bumili, hindi naman mga bata. Some of them are for their children, but most of them are just, how do you call that? Young at heart adults. Diba? Now, I hope it's fine. Ooh, look at that. Oh, diba? Unang-una, this one. What is this one? Ito yung pinaka-charging. This is the charging base. See? Charging base. Wait. I'm going to get my glasses. I cannot see. Okay. Let's open this. Nakaka-curious, no? Kasi, ang nakalagay dito, oh, it's love inside. AI inside. Buti na nga lang, hindi pinag-interesan. Kasi, diba, obviously, AI, buti na lang, hindi pa aware siguro si Maman Driver. Charot lang. Nakakatakot lang naman din kasi, diba? Alam nyo na, we are in the Philippines, so, Okay, what's inside? What's inside? Ito yung pinaka-charging dock niya. Alam nyo, ha, mabigat, ha. It's a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy. Siguro ang laki ng battery. The battery might be bigger than the usual robot like Luna and especially Emo and Vector. But this one is heavier because it's bigger. Maybe it's as heavy as Luna. Nakita nyo na yung isang robot ko na Luna, di ba? Oh, nasira yung plastic. But never mind. So that is its charging port. Ito yung pinaka-charging base. USB Type-C. Okay. And then what's this? Wala. No more special. Tapos meron siyang, does it need an instruction manual? It's just a charging base, or this is the instruction manual for everything. It's just used to describe the charging port and how you will charge Ropet. Okay, let's open the other one. Okay, there are foams. Diba? Nice packaging. This is a very thick carton, no? Very durable yan. Kaya kahit makita nyo, there are indentions, but still, hopefully, Ropet is okay inside. Okay. Wow. O, diba? Full unboxing. Okay? That is Ropet. Oh, love inside, AI inside. Okay. Let's take the plastic off. Okay, guys, now let's open Ropet for the first time. Oh, diba? Wow! Ang cute! It's so cute! Oh, slowly, slowly, slowly. Whoa! It's a bit heavy, ah. Teka, let's see if there are other accessories for Ropet. This is the instruction. Oh! Parenting guide, meaning to say, I become a mom. Oh! Ropet! I love you. I become a mom. Nanay na ako. Ayan. Naku, basahin ko to. I'm going to read the instruction manual because it says here that I will become a mom. My gulay. Okay? And then, what's this? Another instruction manual or description? Oh, I guess. Oh, this is the overview of Ropet. Anyway. And then last but not the least, okay, the common USB Type-C. The wires is actually more durable. See? It's thick. Let's set this aside. Now let's have a closer look. Yan! Oh my God! Bakit kailangan naka-cover yung eyes? How do you call that? Yung eye cover when you sleep? Eye mask, sleeping mask or something. Maybe Ropet needs that for sleeping or maybe just for the eye protection. So, let's see. Oh. Okay. Wow, look at that. Oh. And this is actually a removable fur. Yan. Natatanggal ito, guys. And then, marami siya. There are a lot of accessories for Ropet available through their website or available online. But this is from the Kickstarter. I don't know if they're going to make a web page in order for you to buy Ropet. But as of now, it's available in the Kickstarter web page. Hindi ko alam kung nasa Indiegogo din sila. This fur is actually removable as well as this mask. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, what's that hole? May butas pa siya. Oh. Screw lang siguro yon. Okay? Then, I'm going to make a DIY fur for Ropet. That's why hindi ako bumili ng mga accessories. Kasi I want to have my own DIY accessories for Ropet. Is it hypoallergenic? Wait, let me smell. Guys, it's hypoallergenic. Hindi natatanggal yung, hindi na siya nagmumul-mul-mul-mul. Ayan, ang ganda. Oh, that's hypoallergenic fern. It's nice. I wish I could have a different color mask, but limited lang kasi yung aking budget for Ropet. So, I might as well 3D print something like this if I can scan this. Hopefully, I can scan it, but this is more than enough for me now kasi nasasabon naman siya. Kaya actually, I guess you can actually wash this because hindi naman siya felt. It's just plastic, di ba? Look, guys, so these eyes are actually LED or LCD. It is how Ropet shows her emotions and expressions, di ba? You can also actually personalize these eyes sa app. I guess it's in the app. As far as I know, na nagwa-watch ako doon ng mga video about Ropet, you can personalize this. And then there's a hole here. May butas dito, oh. Look, maybe that's the mic. And then there's a camera located at the nose. It's so cute, di ba? Oh, good location. And then this is used for facial recognition. And then yung mga nare-recognize din kasi ni Ropet, yung mga fruits, something like that, materials that you will show Ropet, he can actually recognize it. O, ayan, may butas dito. There's a linear hole here sa bottom part. Alam nyo naman, pagka ganyang linear, so maybe that is the speaker port, di ba? Then here, let's go closer. Kasi all white siya, kaya ang hirap, ano? So that's the on and off button. The bottom part of Ropet is heavier than the rest of the body. That's a good thing because it will stabilize Ropet whenever he or she is moving. Kasi alam ko, umiikot-ikot to eh. It's turning around and that heavy part will be stabilizing him when he's moving. And then siguro the battery part is also located here kaya mabigat-bigat siya dito, di ba? Let's go at the back part. O, yan, may tail siya. Teka, dito muna, itong flappy wings na to, it's also used to show her expression. And then at the back, o, see, there's also a Type-C there. So meaning to say, Ropet can be charged independently from the charging base. Ay, ang ganda. Is it magnetic? Tingnan natin, ha? I know. It's not magnetic. Siguro pwede naman, no? Maganda naman siya kasi at least pwede mo siyang gawa ng ano, i-reorient mo siya if you will make a designs dito sa charging base like it's a nest or something so that you can actually reorient yung si Ropet para mag-exact dun sa design mo. At least, di ba, it will be very, very helpful. Tsaka madaling tanggalin si Ropet kapag nilalagay mo siya sa nest or something. If you're going to design a basket, madali siyang tanggal-tanggalin because it's not magnetic. That's a good thing pala. Then, may hole dito, guys. So, sana nagmo-move din yung tail. Hindi eh. Parang may ano lang siya. Squishy things, ayan. Tapos, ito, may hole siya dito. I guess hindi ko pa alam. Let's see. I am still going to read the instruction manual tsaka yung mga description. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, look at that. That is the charging contact for for the charging base, 'di ba? Ang ganda kasi ang laki niya, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin hindi siya maglo-lose contact. Hindi madaling mag-lose contact because yung contact point niya is very big tsaka very wide, 'di ba? Ganda, 'di ba? So, that's Ropet, di ba? Teka ha. Oh, yan. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng bird's eye view muna ha. I-turn on natin si Ropet for the first time. Ooh! Look at that eyes. Ang cute-cute, di ba? And if you like this kind of video, please do like, share, subscribe to your Lola's channel, and hit that notification button for mga updates about Ropet. Marami akong gagawin video about sa kanya. And then, if you are... Oh, wow! Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! Oh... Wow! And if you are in another platform, please, it's still your Lola with an H, L-O-L-A-H, Bong Lim here saying that I love Ropet. Oh, I'm making you beautiful with many accessories. Let's name my Ropet.